When it comes to strategies, we're very well versed with putting together a deck, an analysis, justification, and everything around that. Where strategies actually fail is not in the conceiving part or the ideation part or not even the analyzing part. Where it fails is in the execution part. And the question is where the failure really lies. And we identify that failure in a very critical point, which we call the last mile of strategy execution. The last mile is the distance between the boardroom and the person facing the customer. You see, an organization is the sum total of their employees' decisions. The issue is not if the boardroom bought into the strategy, but rather if the employee in front of the customer is actually knowing how to approach the customer and is buying into it. And in that, we are seeing basically two approaches to it. The traditional approach to change and strategy execution is what we call adherence-based. Adherence-based is coming with the new skill set, with the new tools, and say, you now need to train yourself on these new tools. This is the new way that you need to approach it. The preferred way, the way that we found to be very effective, is what we call choice-based dissemination, where we are actually simulating the decision process that took place in the boardroom and having every employee engage with the decision of why and how before we go into the what. And by allowing employees to engage in the decision in a mature, reasonable way, we are helping them overcome the emotional obstacles of any change, and we are allowing them to feel that that decision is theirs, not just as victims and passive participants, but rather as active, proactive co-creators of the future of the organization. Shifting from adherence-based to choice-based dissemination of strategy execution is a critical path to allow us to close the last mile gap and allow the strategy a fair chance to succeed to the fullest scope at the fastest time with everyone in the organization.